Electric wheelchair with remote control. Easy to operate. Adjustable armrests on both sides. Fasten your seatbelt. Easy access elevator. Easy to unfold. Smooth driving. Good cornering. Powerful, with electromagnetic brake function. Reasonable design, can adapt to all kinds of roads. Fold it into the trunk. Add a shopping basket to facilitate shopping. Add trailer, convenient for family or partners to travel together. Manual electric mode switch. We also developed automatic recline function, and automatic folding function. Add a rear controller so that the person at the back controls the wheelchair. If you want to know more, please feel free to contact us.